Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to share with you my Christmas shopping. So in the past 1 month you have seen that I have been to various stores. So I have selected some of the Christmas goodies from there. So I thought in this video I will share all of that with you. So let's start today's video. But before that, if you haven't pressed that subscribe button and you like my videos, then make sure to press the subscribe button. Let's start. So first thing I am going to show you is Christmas lights. So this is the colorful lights. I bought this from Kmart. This is for $6 and this one I bought it for my Christmas tree, since I have bought a small Christmas tree. Small in the sense it's a $10 Christmas tree from Kmart. So this one I have bought to decorate that. Next, here is one more set of lights. So this is Merry Christmas lights. This I have bought for decorating the back wall behind me. So this one is $5 lights. This is also from Kmart. So most of the stuff is from Kmart that I have bought. Next is this lamp. So this is so cute. I liked it so much. Earlier it wasn't there in stock. I was searching this from 2 to 3 weeks, but luckily in the last shopping haul in Kmart I got this one. So this is also $5 lamp and this is a very cute decorative piece in that price. So this time basically I thought to make the theme as pink and green, dark pink and green. So I have bought this baubles. This is from Harry's Scarf. So I got it on 50% off. So this was for $10. So this is for the tree. I got this and this I liked a lot. The stuff here and the decoration on the top of it. And next is this green baubles. This one I bought this time from Kmart. So this is $2.5. And this one I already have from Kmart. I bought this 2 years back. So this was $3. But this time this color theme is not there in Kmart. So luckily I have saved this from the previous year Christmas. Next is this decoration tree decor butterflies. This is for $2. Some of the stuff I have already decorated in my house. I will show you in the last. This is for table decoration. This was I think $5. So this placement mat for the front table, I have bought this one from Spotlight. I think this is $10. I have shown you all of this and all the placement mats and the table mats they were there in Spotlight. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, you can just go to the description box of this video and the link will be shared there. So these are more for decorating the tree. One I have already used in some DIY wreath I have done. I will be showing you in the later part of this video. Then this one for the decoration, somewhere in the hallway I will put, I'm not sure. So this one I have bought. This is from $2 shop. And then there is this Christmas hat. This is $5 and this is from Kmart. And this color, this champagne color, I liked it a lot. But it doesn't fit me that well, but I think it will fit well to Smiley, so he will be wearing for the pictures. So going forward, this one is a bird decoration for the tree. I bought it in this white color and a gold color. Gold color I have already used. I will be showing you. This is one more for decorating tree pick. This is $2. So next here is these color baubles, and some of these, I think 2 of these I have already used in my wreath, which I have already made myself. I have done a DIY on that. So this one I bought it from Reject Shop. This is I think $2.5. This was 6 baubles for $2.5. And this is some decorative stuff for the wall. I will be using it along with the lights on the back wall. So this is for $5. There are 4 pieces in this, and these are like, I liked it a lot. This is so glittery, and with the green color tinsel it will look very beautiful, I believe. So once decorated, I will be sharing it with you. And this small Christmas scene I bought from Kmart. This one I have already put batteries in it, so you can see this is a very beautiful Christmas scene. Then there are some tinsels. This one for this back wall, the green one and the leafy one. So I will be combining this one and this one along with the lights for the back wall. Then there are different tinsels I already bought. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use where. So this is this color, silver color tinsel. Then this is this gold color tinsel. This is also from Kmart. And this one is small baubles, and this pack I bought from Kmart for $2. Since these color matches, so I thought that I will put this color on this time. And this is one more tinsel. So I will be clubbing this all in the hallway table, since this has some red and green in it, this all. And now I will show you what all I have already decorated. So let's go and check it out. So guys, this is my hallway table, and this small decorative light I bought from Aldi. So this is like this color changing light. So there are 2 in this pack. Right now I have just put 1 here, and this is a traditional koala candle stand. So this one I have bought from Dusk, so you can check it out. Oops, it's so windy outside today. And this is that DIY wreath I told you about. So this one I have bought the wreath from Kmart, and then I have done all of this decoration on top of this myself, and I have also put some lights on this. So I will just switch on the lights and show you. So you can see the lights there. Right now it's morning, so it's not very visible. And then one set of small lights I have put here. These are battery operated lights. So this one also I bought from Kmart. So rest all the things I'm just supposed to put in a few days, then I will be recording that also. And these garlands also I bought from Kmart, and I have already hanged this at the entry of my living room and put 2 baubles on top of this. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you would have liked my Christmas shopping, and don't forget to press the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in new video. Bye bye.